the number one thing that I see traders doing as far as a mistake in this area is assuming their winning percentage is higher than it really is. I would caution you in going anywhere above 65 or 66%. If you're playing around with numbers like 70 or 75, I think you're fooling yourself on a consistency basis. Yes, the system that you're trading may have 80% winners, but are you going to make that? Okay, that's the question. Can you perform at peak levels every single day, every minute of the day, every time you set foot in front of the screen? And you know what? That's simply not the case. Michael Jordan had off days. Everybody has off days. Tiger Woods has off days. Sometimes they may have an off week or an off month. The lesson there is if your system relies on peak performance all of the time, you are in a very dangerous position because you are not going to be at peak levels all of the time. So just keep that in mind when you're playing around. And again, these are hypothetical numbers. The whole idea here is for you to play with these numbers. So again, feel free. Put some big trades in here. Don't think that I'm telling you not to do that. But like I said, don't. If all of the numbers are huge, multi-hundred pip winners, there's going to be some problems with that because the market just, you and the market are probably not going to be hitting on all cylinders like that all of the time. So that's really it. Once you start digging into this spreadsheet, I'm sure you'll have a ton of questions. But again, the best thing that you can do is explore these numbers for yourself and really get an idea of what happens when I start changing these numbers. And do I have to win 80% of the time to make money? Remember, that's what the system vendors want you to think. Okay, they want you to think that you have to win 80% of the time. But you can see here that even if you're even if you're losing 67% of the time, you can still come out making money. Okay, again, it's not going to be a lot, but it's still a profitable system. Okay, well, you can then tweak. Remember what I talked about on the first day, the Kaizen, the small improvements over time. If you focus on these few areas, play around with the spreadsheet, I'm positive you're going to have a whole new paradigm, a paradigm shift, if you will, once you're done.